Hi, this is Morgan from Worng Electronics, and we're here at Superbooth, and I am showing off a new prototype module that I've made, which is a Turing Machine low-pass gate expander. It's based on the original Vactrol mix expander for the Turing Machine, but it adds the ability for the inputs to go through low-pass gates. So we've got 4 inputs here, and they are, depending on when the lights on the Turing Machine for the different steps come on, they ping the low-pass gates, and it sends your 4 inputs to a stereo output. And the gate time can be changed depending on how long your gates are that you're sending in. So you can get little plucks or open them wide up. And there's switches here which change a logic circuit around, so you can change the order that the gates are pinged at. So the Turing Machine low-pass gate expander, it's open source like the original. This is just a prototype. It will be available from Thonk at some point in the future, or build one yourself because it's open source. Thank you.